Good morning, students. Last class I have explained question number first and second of self practice 5. That is based on division of algebraic expression. Now we have to solve question number 5e. Sorry, self practice 5e in that question number third. So how we do here also we have to divide two algebraic expression with another algebraic expression. So how we do this? As you see here, small bracket are there means both the small bracket are there means in this between has multiplication, okay, and upon 5xy multiply 6xy power 7 means this one is another algebraic expression and this one is another algebraic expression. So whatever we are doing in previous question first and second, same we have to do here also. Similarly we have to cancel out number to number means whatever constant are given we have to cancel out if any cancellation are there, or in variable we have to subtract if division is there and base is same, then we have to subtract the power. So just you see here we will write down here 3x square y multiply 5xy cube upon 5xy into 6xy power 7. So how we will do this? We will divide by 5 1 is 5. Okay. Now 3 2 is 6. After that x power 2 here, x power 1 here. First of all, if multiplication is there, in that case we have to multiply. Means we have to add the power. So x square 2 plus 1 means power 3 will come here, and here y power 3 upon next one x square and y power 7 is there. After that here y power 1 is also there, so y power 4 will come here, y power 7 plus 1 8 will come. After that we will subtract, so x power 3 minus 2 and y power 4 minus 8, then it will come, and here 2 is also there, so 2 we have to write on 2 as it is 2. After that final answer will come x power 1 and y power minus 4 upon 2. So this is the final answer. If you want to, you can put here this minus 4 to below because here negative power is there and 2 is also is there. So we can put here x upon y 2y power 4. Final answer. Okay. So we have to simplify like this. Next question, this one 24ab multiply minus 27a b power 7 and here minus 45a square b square. So how will simplify this? After that just you see here 24ab into minus 27a b power 7 upon minus 45a square b square. Okay. Now after that we will cancel out, and minus will cancel out, and this one we can cancel by 3 table. So 8 3 is 24 and this one 15 3 is 45, and here also we can cancel by 3 table. So 5 3 is and this one is 9 3 is. After that there is no any cancellation, and then we have to add the power. So 8 9 is 72 and then a power 4 and here b power 8 will come, b power 8. After that here 5a square b square, 5a square b square. Okay. Now here a power 4 and here b a power 2. So we will subtract the power, and here also b power 8 and b power 2 is there. So we will write finally 7 upon 2. Sorry, 72 a power 4 minus 2 and b power 8 minus 2 upon 5. So final answer is 72 upon 5 a square b power 6. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next one. So we will solve like this. If any algebraic expression is given like this, so we will subtract the power if given in division, and whatever number is there we will cancel out the constant. If remaining whatever we will come, that is the answer. Next one is 9.2 and here x power 4, y power 3, z power 3, and here 2.3 into x square z cube. Okay. In this we have to simplify this question. How will simplify? We will simplify first of all, remove this point here. Okay. So for that here, after one digit here also point and here also after one digit point is there. So we will remove this point directly. So 92 upon 23 will come, and here we can subtract now only. So x power 4 minus 2 will come, and here y power 3 as it is, and z power 3 minus 3 will come upon 23. Okay, now in 23, 92, in 23 table 92 4 times will come. So 23 4 ja 94. Now we can write the final answer 4 x square y cube and z power 0. Something power 0 means 1. So final answer is 4 x square y cube. Okay, so this is the final answer of this question. Next one. Next question, next part is our D. In that case, what we'll do here? Here also same types, but you have to see here power minus 4x square y and whole power 3 is given also. Okay, so be careful of this power, because this power is whole power, means it will come, it will effect on this here also, and it will change here also, and it will change here power also. After that, in denominator also is 6x y square and whole power y, whole power 2 is there. So again it will effect on this number whole 6 also, 6 square x square and y power 4 will come. Okay, so first of all remove this bracket, means this power will come in individual. So minus 4 power 3 and x power 2 into 3. If power has one more power, so both power will multiply. So 3 2 ja 6 will come here, and y power 3 will come upon 6 square x square and y power 2 into 2 4 will come. Okay, now we will simplify here. So how will simplify? Again, first of all we have to multiply minus 4 3 times, means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Like that we can do here. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, and after then we can subtract here, same base is there, then power will be subtracted because division is there. So x power 6 minus 2 will come, and y power 3 minus 4 will come, and below is 6 square, means 6 into 6. After then we will cancel out here first of all. So 2 2 ja 4 and 3 2 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. Now multiply here, minus minus will get plus, 2 2 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16, means minus 16 upon 9 3 3 9, 3 3 ja 9, and x power 4 will come and y power minus 1. After then we will put this minus below, so final answer will come 16 x power 4 upon 9 y final answer. Okay, so like that we will solve. I will take one more example. In next, wait. In this, first of all, we have to check the power. Where is the power is given? So, if whole power is there, then we have to first of all multiply that power, and then we have to solve. So, just next part is 2xy square and whole power 4 is there, and here minus 2xy square and whole power 3 is there. Okay, now in this case what we will do? In this case, first of all I will remove this small bracket, means this power will come here also and here also and here also. It will effect on this. Again we will remove this small bracket, then minus 2 power 3 will come, and x power 3 will come, y power 2 into 3 6 will come. So 2 power 4 will come here, x power 4 will come, and y power 2 into 4 will come. Okay, next one, next part, in below denominator minus 2 power 3 will come, and x power 3 will come, and y power 2 into 3 will come. Okay, so next 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times will come. Okay, and x power we will subtract here, x power 4 minus 3, and here y power 8 upon minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 3 times into y power 6 will come. Okay, now we can cancel out 2 and 2 and 2 1 are 2 and 2 1 are 2 and minus minus will get plus and 1 minus is remaining. So final answer is minus 2 because this minus will go over and x power 1 and y I will subtract because here both have same base and division is there, so power will be subtracted. So 8 minus 6 will come, so minus 2x y square, final answer. Okay, so this is our final answer of this question, E part. Okay, so like that we will do in the exercise also. This type of question will come in the exercise self practice 3 question number 5E question number 3. We will do the same this type of problem. Okay, that's it.